The art of budgeting is the uncelebrated backbone of every successful business. Small business owners often juggle various hats, and financial management is one they can't afford to drop. Navigating the labyrinth of revenues and expenditures can be intricate, but with the right strategies, it's more than manageable. It's empowering. Effective budgeting starts with a solid foundation. The process involves understanding your business's financial landscape, including income sources, overheads, and profitability. Begin by gathering your financial data for the past year, including invoices, bank statements, and expense receipts. Categorize your revenues and run down your fixed and variable expenses. Fixed costs like rent or salaries remain constant monthly, while variable expenses such as utilities or raw materials fluctuate based on business activity. Implementing a simple, actionable budgeting strategy can transform your business's financial outlook. Zero-based budgeting is the method of justifying all expenses for each new period. Every function within a business is analyzed for its needs and costs, regardless of the department's current spending levels. With priority-based budgeting, you prioritize spending on activities directly contributing to achieving your business objectives. An incremental approach is useful for businesses with predictable and gradual growth. It involves assessing previous budgets and increasing or decreasing spending based on the company's growth trajectory. Activity-based budgeting identifies business activities and allocates costs based on their consumed resources. A rolling budget continuously updates throughout the year by adding a new month as the current month's data is used. A budget is a living document, not a one-time event. Regularly monitoring your financial performance against the budget lets you stay on top of your business's financial health. A quarterly review can help catch minor issues before they escalate, and updates can be made to reflect your business's current trajectory better. Quick changes can profoundly impact your bottom line and will keep your financials agile and responsive. Integrated business planning packages combine budgeting with forecasting, strategic planning, and performance management for a more holistic approach. While these solutions require more significant upfront investment, they provide a comprehensive suite of analytical tools to support your business growth. Adopting one or a combination of the budgeting strategies outlined here will pave the way for financial control and business agility. Commit to consistent, reasoned financial planning and take charge of your business's narrative.